Hi yo, my man's gonna be doing my voiceover, so stay tuned.
Okay, so for the ingredients, you're gonna need one spaghetti, one beef bolognese in a tin. You're gonna need tomato and basil, and also one full tin corned beef. Once you do that, you need to make sure you broil the spaghetti inside the pot. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of olive oil just to make sure it doesn't get stuck together when mixing it. There's also chicken breast over here I'm gonna fry later on. You can see the corned beef and the onions that I've cut up already there, but let's start again. The onions I'm gonna place first, and then I'm gonna put the corned beef next thing you're gonna see me do, I should be able to break everything off just smoothly, making sure they're all even. Now gonna stir them up roughly interval of 2 minutes each before you add anything else. You can see now I'm putting a little bit of flavor enhancer just to give it that little flavor oomph, and then you can see I also added some, you can see a little bit of tomato puree concentrated. So I've mixed everything up now. Those are my fried chicken strips. I'm just mixing and serenating all of them together, nice and simple. Stirring, making sure everything is smooth. And then you can see now I've put in the bolognese that I showed you earlier on in the video. I'm now putting the tomato and basil inside, making sure everything is in, not wasting one drip. Very expensive. You can see I got some mixed spice. I've added that as well, leaving it just about 10-15 minutes to boil. See, it's all done.
Yo, this tastes so good. Anyway, I'll see you in my next one.